Alright, go ahead. We had the Harvest Potato 2011, the first time in the garden, Sarita Garden. My wife go to the Harvest Potato. We see what we have it in the box. Here we go. The grand finale. This is the list. Now my strong wife go checking around. Put your girl, you got it. Okay.
Nothing so far. All dirt.
I think it's too deep.
Yeah. I think next year we might do them a little more up instead of such deep down.
Oh, we got huge potatoes.
One potato.
I see a small one over there. Oh yeah.
Small potato.
Sun's coming up. Two more water, I think.
I don't think so. I think it's good. We just didn't let it dry out before we harvest it.
One more potatoes. We got potatoes.
Little one there.
Yeah, Chino checking that one.
Why, where?
Over there. You drop over there.
I dropped it, where?
That one right
This
there.
one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Drop the whole box already. Let me see. We see.
I don't want to because I don't want to miss any of the small ones. Because we might be able to do something with this soil again. Not plant potatoes, but we might be able to use it for something else. So I don't want to leave any little potatoes in there.
Y continue con potatoes. Tú le estás
See,
tirando el dark. Oh yeah.
These potatoes could have been there longer, I think. See, because our plants, they were looking pretty bad, but they're still pretty green. And I know we're supposed to harvest them when they're dying. We just wanted to see what was going on, so that's why we harvested. But they could have had more time, you know, because they're small.
He said, what our first time to potatoes. We don't know before that nothing about potatoes.
I know.
So pretty good. We got like so many. Like
No more potatoes, and this was just done in a regular Lowe's bag. Okay, no advertising intended. As a matter of fact, all our other potatoes that are over here, they're all like in supermarket bags as well, so we still have quite a few to harvest once they're ready to be. So
I wanna see how many potatoes we got.
I'm going to, let me just make sure that
It's only one little bag.
there's nothing there. Nothing there. So in total we got 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, and then these two don't really count. But they would have been 10, 11. So it would have been 11 to just one potato that was cut up in pieces. So that's not bad. They could have taken some more time because they look pretty small.
The important is a fresh potato in the backyard. You
Uh-huh.
put it some.
There's another one there.
You put
So it
it
would have
some
been 12.
chicken there. You got dinner for one day and only one little box. Okay, you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.